Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for many college students: side hustles. Whether you're looking to pay off student loans, save for a trip, or just have some extra cash, I've got you covered with 30 of the best side hustles tailored for college life. 1. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for words, freelance writing can be one of the fastest ways to earn money online as a student. And no, you don't need to be an English major to get started. Think blog posts, email copy, product descriptions, or even ghostwriting ebooks. What you'll need: a good grasp of grammar and structure, some writing samples like guest post on blogs you can try, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, ProBlogger Jobs, and PeoplePerHour.com. Pro tip: start by writing about topics you know well, like college life, budgeting, or even hobbies like gaming or fashion. 2. Online tutoring. If you've got strong grades in subjects like math, science, English, or even languages, why not teach others? You can tutor high school students preparing for exams, college students struggling in your best subjects, and ESL, English as a second language, for students around the world. Some of the top tutoring platforms include Chegg Tutors, Preply.com, and Wiseant.com. Here's pro tip: create a great profile with your achievements and rates. You don't need to be a teacher, you just need to be a few steps ahead of your student. 3. Virtual assistant. A VA helps busy professionals or small business owners with tasks like email replies, scheduling, social media posting, or customer support. It's perfect if you're organized and reliable. Types of tasks you can do include calendar management, data entry, email outreach, and creating reports or spreadsheets. The sites where to start from include fancyhands.com, belaysolutions.com, zirtual.com, and peopleperhour.com. Pro tip: if you're familiar with tools like Google Docs, Slack, Notion, or Trello, you're already ahead of the game. 4. Social media management. Brands are always looking for help managing their Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook presence, and guess what? You probably already know more about those platforms than most small business owners. What you'll be doing includes creating posts, writing captions, managing DMs, and running promotions or giveaways. You can find your first clients on Fiverr.com, Upwork, and DM local businesses or find Facebook groups for business owners. Pro tip: offer a free audit of their Instagram to show what you could improve. It's a great way to land your first few clients. 5. Graphic design. Don't worry, graphic design isn't just for art school grads. With tools like Canva and Adobe Express, anyone can learn how to design fast. You can start by creating logos for startups, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram story templates, and resume templates or business cards. Some of the websites to sell or find clients include Fiverr.com, 99designs.com, DesignCrowd, and Creative Market. Pro tip: start with Canva. It's free and intuitive. Offer design bundles to increase your order size. 6. Web development. If you're studying computer science or just love to code, web development is a high-paying side hustle that can turn into a full-time career. What you can build includes simple websites for local businesses, landing pages for product launches, and custom WordPress themes. Where to get started: Toptal.com for advanced developers, Fiverr.com, Codable.io, and Freelancer.com. Pro tip: build a few mock websites as a portfolio. Focus on small business niches like dentists, personal trainers, or local stores. They always need a better website. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products online and earning a commission every time someone buys through your link. Where to promote: YouTube, review videos, TikTok, mini demos, blogs, Reddit or forums. Best affiliate programs you can join: Amazon Associates, clickbank.com, shareasale.com, impact.com. Pro tip: niche down. If you like gaming, promote gear. If you love fitness, promote supplements. The more specific, the better. 8. Selling digital products. This one's completely passive once it's up and running. Create something once, sell it forever. What to sell: study guides, Notion templates, budget planners, Instagram story templates, Resume, CV kits. Top platforms for selling digital products include Gumroad.com, Etsy.com, Sellfy.com. Pro tip: if you're already making study notes for your classes, clean them up, brand them, and sell them to underclassmen. 9. Online course creation. Know how to play piano, speak a second language, or maybe you're really good at Excel or graphic design. Package your knowledge into a course. Where to publish: Udemy.com, Skillshare.com, Teachable.com. Pro tip: your first course doesn't need to be big. A 30-minute course on how to write a killer college resume could do really well. Gig economy jobs are perfect if you want fast cash, flexible hours, and real-world experience. Think delivery driving, pet sitting, grocery shopping, or even renting out your stuff. These side hustles let you pick your own schedule, perfect for students juggling classes. Below are some examples to get you started. 10. Food delivery. One of the most popular and student-friendly side hustles is food delivery. Apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and SkipTheDishes let you pick up food from local restaurants and deliver it to hungry customers. It's super flexible, you decide when you want to work, whether it's a lunch break between classes or a few hours after lectures. If you don't have a car, many cities let you deliver by bike or scooter too. Bonus tip: deliver during peak hours like lunch, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., and dinner, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., to maximize earnings and get bonuses. 11. Rideshare driving. If you're 21 or older with a reliable vehicle and a clean driving record, rideshare driving through Uber or Lyft could be a lucrative side hustle. You'll be driving people to work, parties, or the airport, and you get paid for every ride. The best part? Total freedom to set your own hours. Some drivers even work during early mornings or late nights to avoid traffic and make extra tips. Pro tip: keep your car clean and offer small touches, like phone chargers or mints, to increase your ratings and tips. 12. TaskRabbit jobs. Got a knack for fixing things or helping people move? TaskRabbit connects you with locals who need help with small jobs, like mounting a TV, assembling IKEA furniture, cleaning out a garage, or running errands. If you're handy, organized, or just enjoy helping out, this is a great gig to earn quick money on your own terms. Where to start? Sign up on TaskRabbit.com, set your hourly rate, and choose the categories you're comfortable with. You only accept jobs you want to take on. 13. Pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals? Why not turn that passion into income? With apps like Rover or Wag, you can get paid to walk dogs or take care of pets while their owners are away. These gigs are especially great for students because you can schedule walks around your classes, and you'll get to spend quality time with some furry friends. What's not to love? Quick tip: build trust with pet owners by collecting reviews and offering a meet and greet before the first job. Pet owners love responsible, reliable sitters. 14. Babysitting or nannying. If you're good with kids, babysitting or nannying is a classic, and well-paying, side hustle. Parents in your local area are always looking for trustworthy people to help with after-school care, evening babysitting, or weekend coverage. You might help with homework, prepare snacks, or simply keep the kids entertained. Where to find jobs? Ask around campus or in local Facebook parenting groups. Sign up on apps like care.com or sittercity.com. Pro tip: CPR and first aid certification can help you stand out and command higher pay. 15. House sitting. This one's underrated but actually really chill. When people go on vacation, they need someone to keep an eye on their house, water the plants, bring in the mail, maybe feed a pet. It's low effort, low stress, and often pays well, especially for longer stays. Sometimes you even get to stay in a beautiful home for free while earning money. Where to look? TrustedHouseSitters.com. Ask around your neighborhood or post in local groups. Pro tip: if you're staying overnight, this can be a quiet place to get schoolwork done while earning. Win-win. 16. Selling clothes online. Got a closet full of clothes you barely wear? You're sitting on potential cash. Platforms like Poshmark, Depop, and even eBay are perfect for selling gently used or trendy clothing. Just snap some well-lit photos, write a fun caption, and list them. If you've got an eye for fashion, you can even thrift popular brands and flip them for a profit. Quick tip: seasonal trends and niche styles, like Y2K or vintage, sell faster. Take clear photos and ship quickly to get good reviews. 17. Reselling textbooks. Textbooks are expensive, but that's also what makes them great to flip. Buy low, sell high. If your school bookstore offers low buyback rates, try selling directly to other students or on sites like Bookscouter, Amazon, or Chegg. You can even scout for underpriced textbooks at thrift stores or online marketplaces. Pro tip: check ISBNs before buying and target core textbooks that stay in use semester after semester. 18. Flipping items. This one's super underrated, flipping random items from garage sales, thrift shops, or even Facebook Marketplace. Think electronics, small furniture, vintage collectibles, or brand name shoes. You buy low, clean or repair if needed, then resell online for a profit. It's part treasure hunt, part business. Best platforms to use include eBay, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. 19. Print-on-demand store. If you're creative but don't want to deal with inventory, a print-on-demand store is a great choice. Use platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful to sell your designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. You create the art, they handle the printing and shipping. Pro tip: niche designs sell best, like memes, college humor, or quotes around specific hobbies or fandoms. 20. Handmade crafts. Love making things? Whether it's jewelry, stickers, candles, or crochet, people love handmade items, and they'll pay for quality. Open an Etsy shop or sell through Instagram and Facebook Marketplace. You can even join local craft fairs or student markets. Tip for growth: use packaging and branding to make your products feel premium, even if they're simple. Next, creative side hustles are perfect if you want to turn your passions into profit. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, selling handmade crafts, or offering photography services, these gigs let you express yourself and earn money doing what you love. They're especially great for students in creative fields who want real-world experience and an extra income stream. 21. YouTube channel or TikTok. Love being in front of the camera? Start a YouTube or TikTok channel. Whether it's college vlogs, fashion, gaming, or productivity hacks, there's an audience for everything. Once you grow your views and followers, you can earn through ad revenue, affiliate links, and brand deals. Pro tip: consistency is key. Stick to a posting schedule and engage with your audience in the comments. 22. Photography or videography. If you have a good eye and a decent camera, even just a smartphone, you can offer photography or videography services for events, student orgs, or local businesses. Or, go passive by uploading stock photos and clips to sites like Shutterstock, Pexels, or Adobe Stock and earn royalties. 23. Voiceover work. Got a clear voice? You can make serious cash with voiceover work. Think commercials, YouTube narration, audiobooks, even characters in indie games. Set up a simple mic at home and sign up on platforms like Fiverr, Voices.com, or Upwork to get started. 24. Blogging. Blogging is still alive and well. Start a blog about student life, personal finance, fashion, tech, or whatever you're passionate about. Use platforms like WordPress or Medium, and monetize through Google AdSense, affiliate links, or even digital products. Pro tip. Focus on SEO, search engine optimization, to get your posts ranking on Google and bring in traffic long-term. 25. Music lessons. If you play guitar, piano, or any instrument, offer private music lessons. Teach beginners in your community or even online through Zoom. Parents especially are willing to pay good money for one-on-one lessons. Pro tip. Advertise on campus bulletin boards or neighborhood Facebook groups. Offer the first session free to build trust. Skill-based and passive income side hustles are ideal if you want to earn money while building long-term value. Whether it's offering freelance services, teaching online, or setting up a drop-shipping store, these gigs let you leverage your strengths. Best of all, passive options like investing, blogging, or selling digital products can generate income around the clock, even while you're in class or sleeping. 26. Drop-shipping. With drop-shipping, you build an online store, list products, and when someone orders, the item ships straight from your supplier. No need to hold inventory. Use tools like Shopify plus Oberlo or WooCommerce plus AliExpress. Focus on products with a clear niche and strong demand. 27. Investing. Even with just $5, you can start investing using apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Wealthsimple. You won't get rich overnight, but over time, compounding interest works its magic. It's one of the smartest passive income plays out there. Just make sure to do your research first. 28. App testing. Companies pay people like you to test their websites or apps and give feedback on usability. It's simple, doesn't take much time, and pays per test. Sign up on platforms like User Testing, TryMyUI, or Userlytics to start earning. 29. Language translation. If you're bilingual, offer translation services for documents, websites, or subtitles. Many small businesses and content creators need help reaching wider audiences. Sites like Gengo, Proz, or Upwork are great places to get started. 30. Resume and cover letter services. Are you good at writing or editing? Help fellow students or job seekers improve their resumes and cover letters. This skill is always in demand, especially during hiring seasons. Charge per document or offer package deals. Where to offer services: LinkedIn, Fiverr, and campus job boards. There you go, 30 of the best side hustles for college students, plus the exact websites to help you get started. Most of these require no major investment and can be done in your free time. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which one you're trying first. See you in the next one.